Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Nothing X application, this one. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Nothing X application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see your CMF Watch 3 Pro. Now, scroll down through this page and look for the option called Notifications. And once you find it, tap on it. And here we can enable the notifications for calls, the app notifications, and alarms. First, if you want to use the notifications for calls, tap on Call Reminder, tap on Allow, and once you allow the required permissions, the call reminder will be enabled. Next, we have the app notifications. And here, if you want to use the app notifications, you need to tap on the switch to enable them. And as you can see, we need to allow some permissions. So if you see this pop-up, tap on Go Settings, to Settings rather. It will bring you to this page, and what you need to do is to tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, and then tap on Allow. If it doesn't bring you directly to this page, it might bring you to a page that is before it. Let me show you. If you go to Notifications and Notification Read, Reply, and Control, or something, it's called differently on different versions of Android, but basically this is the page. And on this page, you will see a bunch of apps. And basically, this is the page before the one that we were directed to. So if you're directed to this page instead, you need to find the Nothing X application, tap on it, and then tap on Allow Notification Access. Okay, and once you allow the notifications access, you will be able to enable the app notifications. And here you can customize the settings for them. You can enable or disable the notifications for other option to display the messages only when the phone is locked. What this option does is basically if you enable it and you're using your phone, the screen on your phone is on, you won't be receiving the notifications on your watch even though you see them on your phone. If you disable this option, you will see them anyway even though the screen is turned on. So enable it or disable it according to your preferences. And then you will see the list of applications, and here you can enable and disable the notifications for specific applications. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. So customize it to your liking. Here you have the list of other apps as well, so you can see the list of every app on your phone. And once you're done customizing the settings, you should be able to receive the notifications at this point. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, just to test it. And where is the Discord? Here. And we got the notification on our phone, and I believe we got it on our watch as well. Yes, we did. And to see it, we can swipe up on the home screen to open the notification panel. And as you can see, it is working. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.